Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile at the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right, then select Account Center. Now tap Your Information and Permissions, then tap Download Your Information. Next, select your Instagram profile and tap Next. Choose some of your information and then scroll down and select Messages. Tap Next, then choose Download to Device. Set the date range, either last week, last month, or all time. Choose HTML as the format, which makes it easier to view in a browser. Now tap Create Files and wait for Instagram to process your request. Once it's ready, go back to the Download Your Information tab. You'll now see a Download button next to your request. Tap it and follow the prompts. Open the downloaded file in a browser and you'll be able to see your deleted messages and chats. So that's basically how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!